Rigoletto is thrilling and thoroughly enjoyable.
Llawn egni, llawn drama, jyst yn cyffroes iawn.
Sex, violence, and music.
This afternoon I've just been to see Rigoletto with W&O, which was, fantastic. I thought the costumes were really, really striking. I loved the kind of colours of the costumes and like the use of light. I thought was really clever.
I think the music is wonderful. Gilda was absolutely fantastic.
Wel, ro'n i'n meddwl bod y perfformiad yn gred I ddweud y gwir, roedd yn llawn o passion a egni, oedd yn just arbennig.
Oh, I thought it was absolutely wonderful. I've seen it 3 or 4 times before, but this was one of the best.